This dishwasher is almost 10 years old and it's time to be replaced. And today we're going to be showing you how to remove your old dishwasher. Let's get started. A while back we noticed that our dishwasher was acting up. Not only was it leaking, but it would routinely turn off in the middle of a cycle and we'd have to press the start button many times just to get through a dishwash. So finally, we decided to go out and buy a new one that we found at Costco. Before the installation were to happen, I wanted to remove our old one. Now, the first thing you do to remove your old dishwasher is turn off the fuse box connection. Next, we go under the sink where the water line is connected to the hot water. Our hot water line is split, one for the sink and one for the dishwasher. So all I need to do is turn the one for the dishwasher to completely turn off the water going to it. Now, once you remove the access panel, there's going to be a sliding nut and ferrule on the tubing. A ferrule is a ring or cap which strengthens the end of a handle, stick, or tube and prevents it from splitting or wearing. You will then pull the tube out. It might be slightly stuck and there may be some remaining water, so get a towel to clean that up. So I use the towel to catch the water, but also when I slide out the dishwasher, I'm going to put the feet on the towel so that it doesn't scratch up the floor. At this point, the dishwasher will come out about halfway because there's still the wiring attached, and the wiring line is much longer than the water line. Next, I am removing the terminal box cover using the Phillips head screwdriver. There is one screw to remove, and then the box cover will slide open. When you open the box, you'll see that the connected wires are using twist-on connectors sized to connect power supply cord to 16-gauge dishwasher wire. There is a power supply wire for white, black, and the ground wire. Those are twisted together with the terminal box wire, white, black, and green ground connector. After removing the twist-on connectors, the wires are exposed. So I'm going to use a gauge just to make sure that the wires are not live and that by shutting off the fuse box, the power has been completely turned off. These power supply wires will be reused in the next dishwasher, so I'm going to reconnect the connectors and put some tape over them just to make sure that they are intact later for the next dishwasher. Next, we're going to remove the ground wire, it was securely tightened with a ground connector. There is a screw to untwist with a Phillips head screwdriver. We're going to pull the direct wire through the hole from the terminal box. The power supply cord was routed directly so that it does not touch the dishwasher motor or lower part of the dishwasher tub. And once the wires are removed, I'm just going to make sure that there's nothing else connected on that right side, and then we'll slide it out a little bit more and remove the drain hose, large spring type clamp that connects the air gap to the drain hose. You can simply twist that with pliers and it will open and remove. A drain hose on a dishwasher can be connected with 4 different options: as a waste disposer with no air gap, no waste disposer with an air gap, a waste disposer with no air gap, and no waste disposer with no air gap. However, an air gap is recommended. To reduce the vibration of the hose, keep the hose away from the floor and the edge of the hole where it passes through the cabinet. Now everything has been disconnected and we can slowly slide out the entire dishwasher and get ready for the new one. The installers are going to take this one and immediately install our new Whirlpool dishwasher using the existing water line and electrical supply. Thank you so much for watching. Come back for another video. See you next time.